Just one point, just to put it in perspective, I want to respond की निलेशान एक मुद्दो काढिल्लो ऑन बोथ पॉइंट्स की आमची जेन्ना सजेशन्स आणि ऑब्जेक्शन्स मागयतात जाल्यार आमी दोन तरेचे पळयल्यात. एक तर आमी म्हणटात की आमकां कांयच कन्वर्ट केले नाका किंवा आमचे सगळे कन्वर्ट केल्ले जाय. डोंट यू थिंक दॅट रिफ्लेक्ट्स व्हेरी बॅडली ऑन अस एज अ सोसायटी ऑल्सो?
एब्सोल्युटली रॉंग. आम्ही बेश्टेच लोकांक वायट म्हणून आम्ही हे सिद्ध करून सोदता की इसॉपची जी स्टोरी आसा पयलीं ताका वायट म्हणप आनी मागीर ताजेर आक्रमण करप हेंच आमचे मनान आसा काय? हाका लागून आमी लोकांक वायट म्हणटा काय? पळयात, आमी सोशल पब्लीक पॉलिटिकल हातून आसा जाल्यार फर्स्ट लोक बरे म्हूण समजना जाल्यार आमचे सगळे चुकता. लेट मी कंप्लीट. रिजनल प्लॅन 2021 करपा खातीर 2008 सरकारान जेन्ना लोकां कडेन धाडले, सगळे लोकांनी गांवांत लोकांनी हजारांनी वरां घाली बसून ताजेर तुम्ही तांचे लोकांचे सबमिशन्स पळयात. सगळे पंचायतींनी सबमीट केले डिटेल्ड सगळे प्लॅन्स इतले ब्युटिफुली हें करून, पूण चीफ टावन प्लॅनरान ताजे प्लॅन भायर मारून लोकांचे आपल्या जाय ते भशेन येलो सेटलमेंट सगळे कडेन पेंट केल्ले आसा रिजनल प्लॅनार. CZMPचो इशू पळयलो जाल्यार सरकारा कडेन सगळी पंचायत्यो हात जोडून मागताल्यो, प्लीज एक मनशाक तरी NCSEमा आमचे म्हाऱ्यां धाडात, आमी ताका आमचो गांव दाखयतात, ताका बरें नुस्तें जेवण सगळें दितात. येयात आमची CZMP आमची CRZ एरिया आमी सगळीं दाखयतात. एकलो सुद्दां गव्हर्मेंटचो मनीस येवपाक तयार ना. मागीर लोकांनी बसून GISाचेर 100% परफेक्ट CZMP करून दिल्यात सरकाराक. सरकाराक लोकांची तोखणाय करूंक जाय. इतले लोकांनी कश्ट करून इतले ब्युटिफूल प्लॅन जाल्या, पूण आमकां वायट दिसता की GCZMA कडेन स्वता कडेन GIS प्लॅन्स नात. सरकार NCSEM आमचे लोकांचे प्लॅन यूज करपाक शकता, पूण सरकाराचे प्लॅन तेज्यान यूज करपाक ही आमची परिस्थिती आसा.
There is a certain amount of misinformation also. Government has got all the data. There are government departments like planning statistics which collects data on a real-time basis. Again, coming to the GIS plans, government had fully all GIS plans. The new CRZ is based on GIS plans only.
Okay.
There cannot be misinformation.
I'll come to. Yeah, Derek, you wanted to make a point.
Yeah, I want to make a point.
Yeah.
And the point is, the point made by Salkar was that panchayats and people at that level don't have the expertise. They prepared regional plan 2021, and it was not panchayats. Committees were formed in each village, and each village took on experts, people who had experience, either in government service or or they were engineers. All these people came on board. Prior to that exercise, there was no data. After 2021 regional plan, today you have, up to plot level data for this state. It's the only exercise that was undertaken in India. So, when you say that people at village level don't have expertise, I don't think that's correct. On the other hand, people at the village level think only of their village and not of anything. That is also correct. They will think about the interests of their village because they are a village as a unit. Then it's probably for the taluka or for the district to incorporate everything and make a larger plan, because the government, the road systems, the transport systems, these are also interests in the planning, in the planning process. Yeah. So this is what I wanted to respond to.
हो प्रश्न सदांच जाता की लोकांक एक जाय आनी एक इंडस्ट्रीक दिसता की विकास असो जावचो. लोक म्हणटात की आपल्या गांवचो किंवा आपल्या शाराचो विकास असो जावचो. हाका मिटींग पॉयंट आसा काय आमकां परत परत एकूच नजर येता की देर इज नो मिटींग पॉयंट ऑन दिस?
No, even in the village, there are two options. If people didn't want any development, they would not be selling their land to outsiders. Who is selling the land? The villager is selling the land to somebody. If he didn't want a development, why would he send? No. Why would he sell?
I
can respond to
no, I'll
in few words.
take yes. Yeah, I'll take Derek and Avishal, I'll come to you. On this is a very crucial point.
Important, yes.
This is very, very crucial. Yeah.
No, there have been cases where people have sold their land and then stood in protest. So many of them.
Okay. Yeah. Derek and then I'll come to Abhijit. Yeah.
In a way, what he's saying is correct. Villagers are selling their lands, but it's not all villagers. Landlords are selling their land. Landlords are stakeholders. They are selling the land. And everybody in the village is not a landlord. So you please don't equate and say that everybody is selling land. That's not correct.
Okay.
A very fundamental issue here
Yeah.
की जमीन विकली म्हणून कोणाकूच काय प्रॉब्लेम ना. जमनीचो उपयोग चेंज करप हो प्रॉब्लेम. प्लीज अंडरस्टँड. नोबडी हॅज अ प्रॉब्लेम. कोणे शेत घेतला
तुम्ही म्हणता,
शेत करूंक जाता.
you are on land use.
भाट घेतले जाल्यार भाट करूंक जाता. देर इज नो प्रॉब्लेम. लोक पीपल विल वेलकम यू. खंयचे जगा वयलो मनीस येवन गांवांत शेत भाट करता. ऑल द विलेजेस आर 100% गोइंग टू सपोर्ट. पूण तूं जमनीचो यूज चेंज करपाक तुका अधिकार ना. आनी हाका लोकांक कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल मॅन्डेट आसा
Okay.
की लोकांक जाय जाल्यारूच जमनीचो उपयोग चेंज करप.
It's a very interesting. How should government look at it? Or because you have been a public representative also, and this is a very tricky issue. की एकवटेच्यान तुगेलो कोण तरी जमीन विकता. दुसरो आमकां इतली तरी आतां अनुभवांतल्यान खबर आहा की जमीन घेता तो मनीस डेफिनेटली शेतांनी भाटे करपा खातीर जमीन घेना. ताका आपल्याला थंय कितें तरी करपाचेंच आसता.
That is wrong. He cannot have any expectations.
Correct. So
Our
अनुभवांतल्यान
children,
आमकां एक
future
गजाल
generations have expectations. We
Yeah.
have a promissory estoppel to our future generations,
So ultimately,
not to these false expectations.
Yeah, ultimately, Abhijit Bhav, it comes down to land use. And when it comes
Absolutely.
to land use, there is one view of the industry on the land use, there is another view of the villagers on the land use. Siddharth Bhav, very frankly, do you think there is a meeting point at this? And that's my final question.
Absolutely, there is a meeting point. There has to be a meeting point because finally the government works for the aspirations of the people. We all work for the good of the society. So, आता पासून आमचे honorable minister, he has withdrawn the plan. That is because there were protests against it or there were objections against it. Let us study it. But both parties should sit on one table and discuss it. Unnecessary just rushing on the
Yeah, I'll come to you.
आता 3 linear प्रोजेक्टाचे मोल्या व्हडलो बोवाळ जालो. पूण मोल्याच्या सगळ्या ग्रामपंचायतींनी ठराव पास करून घेतलो. मोल्यांक तांकां लोकांक जाय आशिल्ले ते. They want a road, they want commerce, they want development of that area. I cannot sit in Panji and dictate terms to somebody who stays in Mole, which is a remote region. So we have to take into account the aspirations of that particular area. तुमकां जर डेव्हलपमेंट कोणाक नाका तर डेफिनेटली गव्हर्नमेंट इज नॉट गोइंग टू फोर्स एनी डेव्हलपमेंट. बट ऑपोजिंग एवरीथिंग. आणि आमी खूबदां म्हणटा आमकां हायर एंड टुरिझम जाय. फक्त हायर एंड टुरिझम हांगा फक्त पासय मारपाक येवचो ना. वी हॅव टू क्रिएट फॅसिलिटीज फॉर देम. नाव गोल्फ कोर्स इज वन ऑफ देम. It is a very good, it is a necessity today. It may not have been necessary 20, 30 years back. But today the tourism is high end and revolves around it. So let us see, we don't want low end tourism. Now we have to promote high end. So we have to create that many facilities so that the high end tourists are attracted.
Abhijit, is there a meeting point or there is no meeting point?
There is a very simple meeting point. आमचो प्रायम मिनिस्टर म्हणटा की आत्मनिर्भर भारत करूया, स्वावलंबी भारत करूया. लोकांक हेंच जाय. लोक कितें म्हणटा की आमचे गांव आमी स्वावलंबी करूया. लेट अस एंड दिस इज द ओनली वे फॉरवर्ड एंड देर इज नो अदर वे. मनशाक आनी दुसरी
Okay.
वाट ना.
निलेश बाब, मीटिंग पॉइंट आसा काय मीटिंग पॉइंट ना? तुम्ही तुमच्या अनुभवातल्यान सांगात.
No, there definitely has to be a meeting point, and the intent of the government is clearly to provide an intent. But somewhere between that intent and the execution lies a problem. So we are not able to fathom what that problem is and how to address that problem.
Derek, is there a meeting point or there is no meeting point?
You can have a meeting point, but there are two conditions that you need to fulfill. One is total transparency. You have to know who wants land, who wants to convert land. All that has to be made public, nothing through the back door. Second thing is, please recognize people as genuine stakeholders. You also need to recognize whatever the building industry as a stakeholder. You have to recognize all the stakeholders as equals. Don't shame anyone, and I think you can have a meeting point.
हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता. ह्या ऑन दीस नोट पूण म्हाका दिसता आमी दोन गजाली म्हणटात की एक म्हळ्यार सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट, जाचे ट्रान्सलेशन जर केलें जाल्यार ताका स्वयंपोशक विकास म्हणटात. सो स्वयंपोशक ह्या शब्दा भितर म्हाका दिसता खुबश्यो गजाली येतात. एंड डेरिक यूज्ड अ नायस वर्ड दॅट वी ऑल आर कलेक्टीव ओनर्स ऑफ गोवा. आनी त्या कलेक्टीव ओनरशिपी भितर म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येकाचें स्वताचें ओपिनियन आसतलें. इव्हेंच्युअली एज अ गव्हर्मेंट तो मिटींग पॉयंट येवप गरजेचो. कारण people can be on extremes, government cannot be on extremes. Government has to finally create a meeting point जातूंतल्यान हो सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट मुखार वचपाक शकतलो. तें दिसता म्हाका प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक आज मनांतल्यान दिसता, आनी तें जावचें अशें आमी मागतात आनी थांबतात.